Hello my beautiful Cola Pops, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you're stopping by, I'm your girl Nicola and you just entered Cola's Destiny. Please don't leave without showing the channel some love. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so that you'll see when I post some new content. So in today's video, I will be doing a little soft beat, just a little brown, smoky, fall-esque vibe for you. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching to the end. So I'm actually going to speed through this part, talking maybe a little bit, but I will be speeding through most of this because I already have a foundation routine. So to start off, I'll be adding my contour and then my foundation and my concealer. I'll be blending that all out and then I'll come back. Just sit back and enjoy the music. Holy cow, so I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but I recorded most of the base. I hope you guys got most of it. When I'm editing, I'll see. Anyways, let's get right into the eyeshadow look. So I'll be using the Mitchell. Always have to count the M's, don't know why, I can't get it together. But it's a Me, Myself, and I palette by Mitchell. And I'll be using these browns. So I'm gonna go in with Monday first, and then I'm going to go in with okay, so then I'll go in with Main, and then I'll go in with Meh. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm just going to be using my Anastasia brush that came in a palette. All of the Anastasia palettes come with a brush as far as I know. So I'll be using the fluffier side of that. And I'm just gonna pack on the first brown, which is Monday. And as you can see, I already primed my lids with the concealer, and I set it with some powder. So I'm packing it by just tapping into the product and pushing it onto my lid. I'm not going in circular motions. I'm not going in windshield wiper. I'm just packing it on. Okay, now that I've packed, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blend out the edge. Okay, so now I'm going in with Maine, which is that other brown brick color. And actually, I'm going to use my Morphe M505 brush for that. And I'm just going to start the color right where the last color stopped, just to blend and soften it out. I'm just going in circular motions just to blend that all out. Should have mentioned that, shouldn't I? Okay, so now I'm going in with Meh, and I'm gonna see how that looks because I'm not sure how it looks. I'm just cleaning off the M505 brush. I might have to go in with my bronzer if I don't like this. It's not bad. It will work. And now I'm going in windshield wiper motions just to diffuse it out. You see how quick and easy this was? Very simple smoky eye. Like that. So, what do I want to do on the bottom? I was thinking of adding a pop of color, but I'm not going to because that's just always me. So we're going to smoke up the bottom lash line. So what do I do here? Alright, so I'll be using the Benefit Bad Gal liner for my waterline. Okay, and let's see. Gonna use what am I gonna use? I think what I'll do is I'll reach for my Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use the browns out of that one. Or do I want to add color on the bottom? I think I want to put some color on the bottom. I'm going to go in with I'm gonna go in with Moto, and Moto is this purple here. It's quite dark, so we'll see if I need to darken it anymore. Or maybe I should use this one. Oh geez, the decisions I have to make. No, that's more burgundy. Should I? I'll go for the purple.
Thank you, Jesus!
I'm just going to use the other end of that Anastasia brush. gonna drag this out a bit because I won't be lining. Will I be lining? I don't know. I don't know if I'm lining the upper. I don't know if I'm gonna do a wing liner or not, but I don't think I am. Don't hold me to it. So I added a pop of color, but I stayed in a safe zone where it doesn't look too off of the colors that I placed. Adding mane to see how that will look with this purple. Oh, this looks nice. Oh yeah, oh, this looks nice. Okay, I think I like it. Oh, let me check my phone. I'm still cool. All right, so I'm just gonna dust away this powder. And I want to drag it out a little bit further. So and as per usual, I'll be using my Huda Beauty mascara. For my blush, I'm going to be using the Kosas. I'm not sure if I'm even saying that right, but it's Kosas 8th Muse. Does anyone else's nose run when they're doing their makeup? I don't know why that is. Scientifically, I need to know why. My nose always runs when I'm doing my makeup, and it's annoying. So, take this stuff off. And before I forget, like I'm feeling the look so much, I almost forgot my lashes. Oh my goodness. Mad. Must be going mad. Okay, so I did add my lashes before I forgot. And now I'm going to highlight. And I'll be using the Mitchell. So it's 3 M's and Mitchell. I'm using the Mitchell Sub-Zero Be Perfect highlighter palette. And I'm just using this in my inner tear duct, can't forget that either. So now for my lips, I'll be lining with NYX lip liner in Coffee. I didn't mess it up this time. If you watch any, or if you watched my other videos, you will know why I kind of mess up that corner most of the time. So for my lips today, I'm adding my Clarins gloss in number 16. Just a nude pink gloss. And to go over that, I'm just going to use my Shiseido clear gloss. Add some extra sheen. I don't like to put it directly on my lips because it gets, I don't like to get the tube messy. So I'll be using my finger. So guys, I'm really liking how this look came out. It's nice, sultry, but simple. Okay, my beautiful Cola Pops, so this is a completed look. I hope you guys like it because I love it. Now, you don't have to like it just because I loved it, but I know that you'll like it because it was super fast and super easy. I know that you can achieve it. Now, I want you guys to leave some comments in the description box below. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know if there's any other looks that you want me to come up with, and I'll do them for you. Till next time, guys, please, I'm begging you, stay safe, stay well, stay blessed, and I love you.